Number 5. The Minisforum Venus UM790 Pro. Mini PC is a compact powerhouse engineered to deliver desktop-grade performance in a sleek and portable form factor. At its core, it features the cutting-edge AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads with a boost clock of up to 5.2 GHz, ensuring exceptional multitasking and computing capabilities. Paired with integrated Radeon 780mm graphics based on the RDNA 3 architecture, this mini PC handles light gaming, creative work, and 4K media playback with impressive ease. It supports up to 64 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM and PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs, offering blazing fast speeds for both system memory and storage. Despite its small size, the UM790 Pro includes a comprehensive range of connectivity options. Dual 2.5G LAN ports for advanced networking. Number 4. The GMKTech NucBox K6 Gaming Mini PC is a remarkable fusion of compact design and powerhouse performance, built specifically to meet the demands of gamers, creators, and power users alike. At its heart lies the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, an 8-core, 16-thread beast capable of reaching boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz, delivering smooth gameplay, fast rendering, and seamless multitasking. Complementing the CPU is the integrated Radeon 780M graphics engine based on RDNA 3 architecture, offering surprising graphical capabilities for such a small form factor, capable of running popular titles, supporting 4K displays, and handling. Number 3. The Intel NUC 13 Pro Kit NUC 13A NHI7 is a compact business-class mini PC designed to deliver reliable performance, professional-grade features, and enterprise-level versatility, all within a remarkably small footprint. At its core, this powerful system houses a 13th-gen Intel Core i7 processor, offering up to 12 cores of hybrid performance optimized for modern multitasking and demanding workloads. This blend of performance and efficiency cores ensures smooth operation across productivity apps, video conferencing, data analysis, and multitasking environments. The tall chassis variant allows room for a 2.5-inch SATA drive in addition to ultra-fast M2 PCIe SSD storage, providing flexible storage configurations to suit any business need. Designed for stability and long-term use, the NUC 13 Pro supports up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and includes Intel vPro technology on select models, giving IT teams powerful remote management capabilities and enhanced security features. With multiple ports including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB 3.2, and dual LAN options, this mini PC effortlessly connects to peripherals, dual or triple displays, and enterprise networks. Its compact size allows it to be mounted behind a monitor or tucked into tight spaces, making it ideal for office desktops, digital signage, conference rooms, or even edge computing setups. Despite its small form, the thermal design keeps the system cool and quiet even under extended workloads. The Intel NUC 13 Pro Kit is not just a mini PC. It's a dependable business solution that brings high-end desktop performance into any workspace, combining innovation, efficiency, and reliability in a single ultra-compact machine. Number 2. The Beelink U59 Mini Desktop PC is a budget-friendly yet surprisingly capable compact computer designed for everyday use, offering a perfect balance between performance, efficiency, and versatility. Powered by the Intel Celeron N5095 quad-core processor, this mini PC delivers stable performance for daily tasks, such as web browsing, document editing, media streaming, and light multitasking. It's ideal for home offices, student workstations, digital signage, or anyone seeking a low-power desktop alternative. With support for up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and expandable M2 SSD storage, the U59 ensures quick application loading times and responsive system performance. It also features dual HDMI ports, allowing users to run 2 monitors simultaneously, boosting productivity whether you're working, studying, or simply multitasking. Despite its compact form factor, the Beelink U59 is equipped with a variety of connectivity options including USB 3.0 ports, Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Number 1. The Apple Mac Mini Desktop Computer with the Apple M2 chip redefines compact computing by combining Apple's signature sleek design with groundbreaking performance, efficiency, and seamless integration across the Apple ecosystem. At the heart of this mini desktop is the powerful M2 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU and up to a 10-core GPU, delivering faster processing, smoother multitasking, and significantly enhanced graphics performance compared to its predecessor. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, creating complex music compositions, running code, or simply managing everyday tasks, the M2 chip handles it all with ease while maintaining exceptional energy efficiency. With unified memory architecture and support for up to 24 GB of RAM, everything runs fluidly, from opening multiple apps to working with large media files. The Mac Mini's compact aluminum body houses advanced thermal management that keeps it cool and whisper quiet under load. It also includes a generous array of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, and a headphone jack, offering versatile connectivity for external displays, accessories, and high-speed data transfer. Thanks to macOS integration, features like universal control, continuity, and AirDrop allow seamless interaction with other Apple devices, making it an ideal hub for creative professionals, developers, and power users alike. Whether you place it on a desk, behind a monitor, or in a home studio, the Mac Mini with M2 is the perfect blend of minimalism and performance, offering everything users need in a desktop computer without the bulk. It's not just a mini PC, it's a modern powerhouse built for the future,